What's standing between you and 95 marks in class 10 maths? These 100 questions. Save this video and let's solve them.
Question number 65. Solve for x. 1 upon x plus 1 plus 3 upon 5x plus 1 equal to 5 upon x plus 4, where x is not equal to minus 1 by 5 and minus 4. Okay, let's start. So first of all, to make the denominator equal, we will multiply the first term 1 upon x plus 1 with 5x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator, and 3 upon 5x plus 1 with x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator. So we will get in the numerator 5x plus 1 plus 3x plus 3, and in denominator 5x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 5 upon x plus 4. Now again we will cross multiply. So x plus 4 will get multiplied with the numerator and 5 will get multiplied with the denominator. So in the first bracket, numerator is 8x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4, then 5 will get multiplied with x plus 1 and 5x plus 1. So open the brackets. On left hand side we will get 8x square plus 36x plus 16. On right hand side, if you open the two brackets, you will get 5 into bracket 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Again open the bracket on the right hand side, we will get 25x square plus 30x plus 5. Okay, and then transfer all the terms to the right hand side. We will get 17x square minus 6x minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. So compare it with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Note down the ABC values. Okay, x square coefficient is 17, which is a value. Then b is x coefficient minus 6, c is constant minus 11. Write down the quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let's substitute the values. Okay, so if you substitute the values, minus will become plus 6, minus 6 square will be plus 36, minus will become plus 4 into 17 into 11 will give you 748. So 6 plus or minus, if you solve the square root, you will get 28. Okay, so take plus value one time, minus value one time. So x is equal to 6 plus 28 upon 34, which is 34 upon 34, and that is 1. So this is the first root, x equal to 1. Second, 6 minus 28 upon 34 minus 22 upon 34, which is minus 11 upon 17. That's the second root.